Children listen, this is 5th chapter we are starting, continuity and differentiability. 5.6 we are doing part 2. Already part 1 we have uploaded 1 to 6 video, 1 to 6 questions. 7th question we are moving here. This is based on parametric form derivatives, okay. So that x is equal to sine cube t divided by square root of cos 2t. This is the question for x. This is look like a quotient rule actually. U by v derivative. U dash v minus u v dash divided by v square. Right. So when I differentiate with respect to t, what I am getting? Differentiate with respect to t. So that dx divided by dt. Okay. Denominator what we have to do? Denominator square root of cos 2t the whole square we will be getting. Okay. And numerator u dash v, u dash na sine cube we have to differentiate. Sine cube when you differentiate 3 will be coming down sine square t into power we have done. Derivative of power 3 sine square t. Again function we should differentiate now. So sine derivative what I am getting cos a t. That's it. This is for a u dash. This is for a u dash into v. V means what? Square root of cos 2t. Square root of cos 2t. Formula minus u into v dash. U means what? Sine cube. Sine cube t into v dash in the sense denominator is root cos 2t we have to differentiate. So denominator what actually? Derivative of root x which is equal to 1 by 2 into root x. This is the formula I am going to apply. So same manner 1 divided by 2 into square root of cos 2t we are doing multiply. This is for a root derivative. Inside cos 2 we have to differentiate na. Cos 2 when I differentiate minus sine 2t you will be getting multiply. Again 2t when you differentiate what I am getting 2 into t derivative 1. So this is we are getting at present. So what all possible to cancel you do it. This 2 cancel and square and root is cancel and you can notice that sine square sine cube. So one sine square you can take outside. That is I am going to do now. So that sine square I am taking outside. Sine square if you take outside remaining what na 3 cos t and this square root cos 2t when you take cross multiply na root will be gone. Root cos 2t na just cos 2t you will be getting minus this minus and this minus in multiplication na. So that minus into minus positive. From sine cube one sine square I took outside, then one more sine will be there inside and this sine 2t. Sine 2t formula we know. Directly I am writing 2 sine t into cos t. Okay. Children listen, be careful and whole divided by, see this after taking cross multiply it will be coming in even denominator also. So that cos 2t multiply after cancelling the denominator power and the root you will be getting just cos 2t. That's it. So this is the remaining at present and here also you can notice that cos is common. Cos is common. That's it. Cos you can take outside. So when you take cos outside what I am getting? So that sine square already we have commonly. Again cos if you take outside, remaining I have 3 into cos 2t. 2t formula you can write what? See children, after taking this cos, this both the cos outside, remaining what we have now? This is fully sine. So but cos 2t alone we have in cos. This cos also if you change into sine now you will be getting very easily answer. Okay. So that 3 cos 2t what I am going to write? The formula cos 2t we have a formula lot but we need in terms of sine only. So that 1 minus 2 sine square t I will be using. Suppose if you want you can use 2 cos square t minus 1 also. Or else if you want few more na cos square t minus sine square t you can use. Or else a few more if you want na 1 minus tan square t divided by 1 plus tan square t you can write. This is all for cos 2t only. Okay. Based on the question you need to use. Now I need this formula so that I am going to use this one. Okay. Right. This one I took commonly outside. For cos 2t, I'm going to apply what is that 1 minus 2 sine square t plus this cos already we have taken outside. So that sine into sine square, but 2 sine square t I'm getting whole divided by in denominator square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. What is that we have here? Okay, so what is remaining? We'll see, children. The remaining is what? This 3 you take. 3 you take, multiply inside 3 into 1, 3 into this. Like that you just multiply. What I'm getting here, sine square t into cos t is outside. After multiplying the 3 inside, 3 ones are 3 minus 3 twos are 6 sine square t plus 2 times what is the sine square t whole divided by square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Okay. Now see, children, this is 6 sine square, 2 sine square. Based on sine, you can add or subtract, you can apply. Outside we have here, what is that? Sine square t into cos t. Here we have 3 minus 6 sine square, 2 sine square. When you subtract 4 sine square, 4 sine square t, I'm getting balance divided by what is that? Square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. That's it. Inside only sign is there. Enough, you can stop. Okay, this is, let it be. That's it. This is what dx divided by dt. Answer number 1. Okay, dx by dt. Same manner we have to differentiate even what actually y. Okay, y we have to differentiate. Same steps and all will be coming. Same steps. If you have a good knowledge, you can write similarly. Similarly means wherever you have a sign, cos you replace. That's it. Only numerator, or else whole steps you want to do. I will be doing whole steps. I will not going to change similarly. If you want to do in later, after getting ideas, you people do. Now I will be writing similarly. Okay. So that y I am taking cos cube t divided by, what is that y? Cos cube t divided by square root of cos 2t. Okay. Square root of cos 2t. So this is, we have to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Y when I differentiate dy divided by dt is equal to, sir, again I'm going to use the formula u divided by v whole dash is equal to u dash v minus u v dash divided by v square. So that denominator you will be getting cos 2t whole square, you will be getting a numerator na cos cube derivative. What is cos cube derivative? 3 cos square t into cos derivative, what you will be getting? Minus sin t. Let it be. This is what u dash. This is what u dash. After derivating u, we have to write v there. V. So v is what? Square root of cos 2t. Square root of cos 2t. Okay. Minus u v dash. U means cos cube. Into v dash na denominator you have to differentiate. Denominator what? 1 divided by, means we know that derivative of root x, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into root x, they will say. Same thing. So 1 by 2 into square root of cos 2t. Inside cos 2t, when you differentiate minus sin 2t, you will be getting multiply 2t when you differentiate 2 into 1. That's it. So this is our what is that? Y derivative. Same manner, 2 cancel. This one I am taking cross multiply. Here also cos cube, cos square. So that 1 cos square I am taking outside. All those things common here. Okay. Right. So that cos square if I take outside commonly, I have here minus 3 sin t into square root of cos 2t, square root of cos 2t when you take cross multiply, I'm getting cos 2t. Okay. Minus this will become a positive. Minus and minus positive. From cos cube, 1 cos square I took outside. So 1 more cos will be there inside. And sin 2t formula we know. What, Raja? 2 sin t into cos t. Same steps only I'm doing. I'm not doing external. I hope you understand. So after taking cross multiple, that will be coming in denominator root cos 2t multiply. Square and root you can cancel here. Square and root you can cancel. Square and root cancel na. Remaining what I have? Just cos 2t we have. That's it. Now again you can notice that sin is common. Sin is common. So you take sin outside. If you take sine outside, what is happening? Cos square t into sin t minus 3 sine I took outside. So minus 3 cos 2t only we have. Listen carefully. Sin t if I am taking now, then purely everything cos. Then this cos 2t, what you will write? In terms of sine or in terms of cos? In previous question, in terms of sine I wrote. Why? Because after taking this both the cos, remaining I had only sine. So that this cos 2t I have written as 1 minus in terms of sine. But in y, in y what I am getting? In y what I am getting? After taking this both the sine, remaining everything cos. So I need in terms of cos, the cos 2t formula. Okay, so that cos 2t, what I am going to choose then? Cos 2t, which is equal to, in terms of cos I will be writing minus 1. This is very important, in terms of cos. Okay, right. So that this cos 2t, if I am writing in terms of cos now, 2 cos square t minus 1 plus cos into cos square you can write, the 2 is there, so that cos square t, the sign already we have taken outside. That's it, whole divided by square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Now the minus 3 you take, multiply inside. Let's see what we are getting. So that cos square t into sin t, when I multiply the minus 3 inside now, minus 6 cos square t minus minus plus 3 plus 2 cos square t whole divided by the denominator what? Square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. That is, we have a balance. Now let's write this again one more step. Outside we have a cos square t into sin t. Inside plus 3, let it be as it is. 6 cos square plus 2 square na minus 4 cos square t you will be getting remaining, whole divided by square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. This is required answer for a dy by dt. This is required for what ma? Dy divided by dt. At present we have dx by dt as answer number 1. Here we have as answer number 2, what is that? Dy by dt. I told you that compared to the previous answer, listen carefully. Cos square na, there you have sin square. You can notice. Have you noticed cos square na? What we have here? Sin square. Same manner, abhi opposite. That's it. Very easy to understand. Here cos square na, there sin square. Here cos na, there sin, like that. But denominator alone same. Denominator alone same. Okay. If you want to write similarly also, you can write 3 minus 4 cos square na, their opposite 4 sin square, 3 minus 4 sin square you will be getting. Just like that, opposite. Similarly also you can write in exam. Okay. Now we have to divide dy divided by dx if you want na, dy divided by dt whole divided by dx divided by dt. Understand? Both you, what is that you want to divide? Divide I said. What is dy by dt ma? Let's copy. Let's copy better. Dy by dt, let's copy. Okay, this is, whether you want to write as it is you should write, so that I am giving in a numerator. Okay, numerator whole divided by, children listen, this is dy by dx I gave, whole divided by denominator what? Denominator what ma? Dx. Dx divided by dt. Dx by dt here we have. Here we have. That also you copy. Okay. That also you copy, paste. Now you can bring it. So that what I did now, listen carefully, what I did now, dy by dt, this is dy by dt, in denominator dx by dt. What is common ra? That you can cancel. See pa? Denominator is same. You can cancel. And anything else extra? Anything else extra? What pa? This also you can cancel now. 1 cos. Wait. What is that? 1 cos and 1 cos. Like that, 1 sin, 1 sin. Then what I have remaining? That you write, children. Just cos t we have remaining in numerator. 4 cos square t. In denominator what we have? Sin t we have remaining. 3 minus 4 sin square t. Now you take the cos, multiply inside. When you take cos, multiply inside, what I am getting? 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t whole divided by 3 sin t, sorry, just sin t, not sin square, sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Children, have you remember sin 3t cos 3t formula? Sin 3t cos 3t, have you remember formula? 3 sin t minus sin cube t. Yeah. Tell me once again. What is that for? Sin 3t also I need. Even cos 3t also I need. So what you will be getting? 3 sin t minus 4, sorry, sin cube t Raja. This is for a sin 3t. Okay. But cos na, what you will be getting cos 3t? 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos 3 cos t you will be getting. This is the formula, right? Just see, numerator not in a pattern. Numerator not in a pattern. What is the problem? Here minus we have for 3 cos t, but here minus we have for, that is the problem. So you take minus outside from numerator. If you take minus outside now, what I will be getting then? If you multiply minus on both sides, here minus, this will be positive. Then what is the formula? Minus 4 cos cube plus 3 cos t. Now what is the formula? Minus cos 3t. What, my dear? Minus cos 3t divided by denominator. Okay na, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t, as it is sin 3t. Am I right? Yes. So that sin 3t you can write. Now what does look like now? Cos by sin is called cot. So that minus cot 3t I am getting as my final answer. Is it understand, children? Is it understand? So this will be asking surely in a 5 mark. Okay, suppose 3 mark if they asking na, listen. Suppose 3 mark if they asking na, what do you have to do? Listen. What do you have to do? Listen. Similarly, dy divided by dt is equal to numerator alone. Cos na, sin na, cos you change. Okay, numerator alone. So sin square na, cos square t into sin, cos na sin t. 3 minus 4 sin square na, cos square. Denominator as it is you write. Don't change anything. Like that you do in a 3 mark question. Suppose if they asking na 3 mark, you people try like this. 3 mark. 5 mark na, you have to do the whole page. I mean whatever I did, 3 slide I made. This is first, second, even third. So all the 3 you have to do step by step. Have you understand? Is it okay, pa? Right, fine. Can I go to next? Ma, next question number 8. X is equal to a into cos t plus log tan t divided by 2. This is the x value. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to t because parameter is t here. Okay, because we are what do you want to find? Dy divided by dx. That is the Roman they are given already. First differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So that dx divided by dt, which is equal to a into cos derivative what ba? Cos derivative minus sin t plus what about derivative of log ma? Yes, derivative of log x, if you have 1 divided by whatever we have here, that we should write in a denominator. Same manner, but instead of x we have a tan, so that log tan, when you differentiate, 1 divided by tan t divided by 2. Okay, later, now this is what? Derivative of log. Now derivative of tan, what is derivative of tan ma? Secant square. Derivative of tan what ma? Secant square. Derivative of tan secant square. Okay, formula if you want to mention, you mention derivative of tan equal to secant square. And one more, what about derivative of t? T and all directly will go. Actually we have derivative of t by 2. By 2 is a, what is that? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant, that let it be. T when you differentiate, that will be 1. That's it. So this is you have to do carefully. Understand? Now let's simplify this. So we have a outside. Okay. Secant square by tan. Shall we simplify secant square by tan? Yes, we can. So that what we'll do, first you write everything in the form of sin cos Raja. Okay, everything you write in the form of sin cos minus sin t, yeah, minus sin t, let it be plus but the problem is what, children, listen. uh, okay, we'll simplify, then I'll tell you what is 1 by tan pa. What is 1 by tan ra? Very good. 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So that directly I can write that in the this 1 by tan in the form of cos by sin. Okay, so cos theta means here t by 2, okay, divided by sin t divided by 2 into secant means what ba? What about secant? Secant theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. Okay, so that here secant square na, what I am getting, 1 divided by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, now what is possible to cancel? Do it. 1 cos cancel. Children, have you noticed what is denominator of this one together? What is that? 2 sin and cos. Suppose if we have 2 sin theta cos theta na, what we can use the formula pa? Very good. Sin 2 theta is my formula. Okay, so that a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by what we have a 2 sin theta cos theta na, we can write that sin 2 theta, but instead of theta what we have? T by 2. Okay, so that 2 will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. So what I am getting remaining pa? 1 by sin t. That if you take cross multiply na, what I am getting? Sin into sin square t plus 1 divided by sin t. Okay, what do you think about 1 minus sin square? Yes, cos square t divided by sin t, which is equal to let it be, later we'll use. Okay, this is our required answer for a dx divided by dt. Okay, now let's go to what is that? Y. So y, I have now y is equal to a sin t, a sin t. So that differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dy divided by dt, which is equal to a multiply constant, sin when differentiate cos t, so that a into cos t you can write. This is my required dy divided by dt. Okay, now so I want to find dy by dx na. What is my idea formula? Dy by dt divided by dx divided by dt. Dy by dt, here we have a cos theta, so that a into cos instead of theta t we have, and dx by dt, here we have what is that? A cos square t divided by what pa? Sin t, divided by what pa? Sin t. Okay, now children listen, the denominator you can, I mean a you can cancel. Yes, a you can cancel, even one cos 1 will be cancelled, so that denominator 1 divided by cos by sin, when you take to numerator, what will happen ma? Sin by cos you will be getting. What my dear? Sin by cos. Or else you can write that 1 by cos by sin. Cos by sin, what we can write? Cot. Okay, cot t. Okay, cot t. Cot t, what is 1 by cot na? Tan. Tan t is our required final answer. That's it. Is it okay, Raja? Is there anything else doubt in question number 8? Next, question number 9. We are moving. So formulas, whatever I wrote in the sins, be careful. This everything you should write in a pencil. Pen, if you're writing also not an issue, write in a right side in the sins place. Okay, we are moving into next question number 9. Question number 9, a simple question actually. Question number 9, simple question. Just directly you differentiate with respect to theta. Here theta is the parameter. So by using theta I am doing. So that x, when you differentiate dx divided by d theta is equal to a. What about secant derivative? Derivative of secant. Secant into tan. Okay, secant theta into tan. That's it. Suppose y if you differentiate, so what you will be getting? Dy divided by d theta is equal to b into tan derivative what ba? Secant square theta. That's it pa. Very easy to go. Now when you divide both dx dy divided by d theta divided by dx divided by d theta equal to dy b secant square theta a secant theta into tan theta. Now when you divide both, what I am getting? One secant will be cancelled. Now what I have? B divided by a into secant. Secant means 1 by cos divided by tan means sin by cos. So that the cos you can denominator cos you can cancel. Then what I am getting finally? So what I am getting finally? B by a into 1 by sin. What do you think about 1 by sin pa? Yes, cosecant theta. That's it. So b by a cosecant theta you can write. Understand? This is question number 9. Very, very simple question. They will ask in MCQ, but these things and all they will be asked in a MCQ only. 2 mark and all very rare MCQ. Next question number 10 will go. The same page I will do the 10. Here 10 I am taking. 10th one. So x is equal to I am taking a cos theta plus theta into sin theta. Listen carefully. Here parameter is the theta. Okay, so when I differentiate with respect to theta, what I am getting? Just see, differentiate with respect to theta on both sides. Okay, right. Dx when I differentiate, sorry, x when I differentiate, dx divided by d theta is equal to a is a multiply constant. Let it be. What is derivative of cos phi? Derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. And then next you can notice that this 2 is a multiply. Theta is one variable. Sin theta also what is the one more function. So that you want to use, this is u, this is v formula. Have you remember uv derivative formula? Yes, u dash v plus u v dash. That formula I am going to use here. Okay. So that what I am getting here first. Okay, u means theta we have to differentiate. Theta when I differentiate with respect to theta, what you will be getting? 1, right? After differentiating theta, v you should write as it is, means sin. Sin let it be as it is, okay? Plus formula plus u v dash. U means what? Theta. Theta let it be. V dash na sin we have to differentiate. Sin derivative cos. Very good. Sin derivative what ba? Cos. So that cos theta into cos theta. Now you can notice that plus sign minus sign is cancelled. Then my answer is what? A into theta into cos theta is our required dx divided by d theta. Okay, this is, let it be as answer number 1. Now let's take y. Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta into cos theta. Okay, again the same, theta is the parameter. I'm going to differentiate these things. Now differentiate with respect to theta on both sides, so that dy divided by d theta is equal to a multiply constant. What do you think about derivative of sin pa? Cos it. And there is a problem here, minus is there commonly outside for both term, so that minus and put a open bracket. Now we should use the uv derivative. This is a u and this is a v. Okay, so that let's go now. Theta when you differentiate 1, sin derivative, sorry, cos derivative what ba? Minus sin. So that minus I'm giving here, minus sin theta plus theta, sorry, what I did a mistake, I think. Children listen, what I did mistake. See, what is the formula? U dash v. U dash na theta we have to differentiate. Derivative of theta 1, then v we should write as it is. Means cos we should write as it is. Don't differentiate. Okay, right. Next u value what? Theta. Theta let it be. Derivative of cos what ba? Minus sin. Derivative of cos what ba? Minus sin. So that this minus I will be giving here itself. Minus here theta into sin. Okay, it's over. Now you can multiply the negative inside. Negative if you multiply inside, cos theta minus cos theta, minus into minus plus theta into sin theta. So you can notice that plus cos minus cos cancelled. Remaining what we have that you write. So that a into theta into sin theta. So that is our dy divided by d theta. So if you want to find dy by dx, what you will be doing pa? The formula is what? Dy divided by dx. If you want to know, dy divided by d theta whole divided by dx divided by d theta. Dy by d theta we have a theta sin theta divided by dx by theta here we have, so that a theta cos theta. So that a theta is cancelled in both numerator denominator. After sin by cos, what we can say? Tan. Sin by cos, what we can say? Tan. So that is answer for a question number 10. I hope you understand the question number 10. Question number 10 is important. Actually, in the same question number 10 in exam, one time they asked also find d square y divided by dx square. So if they ask now, what are you doing pa? You have to differentiate what actually? Yeah, tan theta you have to differentiate with respect to x, not theta. Be careful. Okay. Yes. Suppose if you are differentiating na, means dy divided by dx is equal to tan theta. If they ask to find d square y divided by, don't want to write this, just listen. Tan when I differentiate secant square theta, theta when I differentiate d theta divided by dx. So that secant square theta multiply 1 divided by, we can write that in a reciprocal format. So why I am writing na, dx by d theta we have. What we have? Dx by d theta here, a cos theta. Okay, that you can apply. So that what is that? Secant square theta 1 divided by a theta into what is that? Cos theta na. Theta let it be. So that 1 by cos we can write secant. Secant into secant square na, secant cube divided by a into theta you will be getting d square y divided by dx square. Just listen, don't want to write. Like that they will be asking in the board exam. One time I think they asked like this, the same question I hope. Okay, question number 10 is over. Now we'll go to question number 11. Is it okay pa? 11th one will go. Question number 11. 11th one is show that actually we have to bring dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Minus y by x. There is a two idea, children. Directly you can differentiate the given, or else root na, you what is that? You take some steps na, so that in you can avoiding root we can square on both sides. Can I do directly derivative or square? Directly also you can do, you will be getting answer easily. Or else I will give in both the step also. First directly I am doing. When I differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t on both sides, both. So that dx divided by dt is equal to derivative of root. What do you know, Rajat? Derivative of root. Yes. Derivative of root x what na? 1 by 2 into the same question. Into the same question. Like that, what we have one more a power sin a, right? Then derivative of a power x pa, a power x into log a. Next, what we have sin inverse cos inverse. Next, derivative of sin inverse what ma? 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Same manner, derivative of cos inverse of x what pa? Minus, very good, minus 1 by 1 minus x square. So this all formula I'm going to use in this question. All formula. All formula I'm going to use in this question. First, root. Root, when I differentiate, what you will be getting? 1 divided by 2 into question. Question means a power sin inverse x, square root of a power sin inverse t, not x, sorry. T. Okay. Right. Now, into now root derivative over. Now inside a power sin na this formula a power x. So a power x is what? A power sin inverse t into log a. This is for a power sin inverse. Okay. Now what about derivative of sin inverse? Derivative of sin inverse what? 1 divided by square root of 1 minus t square. That's it. Till this you want to do carefully, step by step, step by step. Is it understand? Now simplify. Is anything possible to cancel now? You do it, or else let it be 1 divided by 2 into. What do you think about this? Question x. Am I right? So that I'll write 2x. Now numerator what? Don't write 1. Numerator what we can write? 1 into what is that? A power sin inverse t into log a. Okay, like that you can write. And this also you can write, I think, x square. Huh? Shall we write this a power sin inverse as x square? Because when you square, the root will cancel them, right? Am I right, children? If you need, we'll apply. Okay, yes, we need. I think we can cancel this. Okay, okay, I will do then one step. Children, if you square na, listen, if you square na, x square is equal to what I am getting? A power sin inverse t. Without a root you will be getting, no? So that a power, this alone I will remove, wait. This I will write directly what? Directly what? This is instead of a power sin inverse t, now what we can write pa? X square you can write. Now you can notice what? 1x, 1x cancel. So what is my answer then? X log a divided by 2. That's it. This is what? Dx divided by dt. Let it be answer. Let it be answer. Okay. Now let's go to differentiate the y. Y I'll take here. Oh, sorry. Y. So y alone just take. Here I'll be using. So sir, this is everything in since you write, sir. So y I'm taking. And y also if you square, what I'm getting? Y square is equal to a power cos inverse t. But I'm differentiating y only. Okay. So that differentiate with respect to t now what I'm getting. So dy divided by what is that part? Dy divided by dt is equal to 1 divided by 2 into question means a power cos inverse t. Now a power cos inverse when you differentiate now this formula a power x formula. So that a power cos inverse let it be as it is into log a. Okay, multiply. Now cos inverse derivative. Cos inverse na minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus t square. That's it pa. Okay. Now what all you can write, listen. What all you can write, listen. So 1 divided by 2 into, this is what question. Question na y. Question na what pa? Y you can write. And this one what actually? Y square. Okay. That one what actually? Y square. A power cos inverse na. What is that? Y square into log A. And what we have extra? Square root of minus is there. This minus square root of 1 minus the t square. Yes, 1 minus t square. Here also we missed then. Listen, children. See this square root of 1 minus t square we missed here. That you write in denominator 1 minus t square. Then 1 minus t square. Don't forget anything. See carefully. Then 1y. From here 1 is cancelled. Then what is my remaining pa? Minus y log a divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus t square. So this is my answer number 1, dx by dt. This is my answer number 2, dy by dt. Okay, we have now both. These two we have to differentiate. Sorry, divide. If you divide, you will be getting the final answer. So let me doing here. Suppose if you want, what is that? Therefore, dy by dx now, what we have to do? Dy divided by dt whole divided by dx divided by dt, which is equal to dy by dt. Here we have, what is that? Minus y log a divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus t square whole divided by what is that? X into log a whole divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus t square. Now this denominator you take to numerator so that it will be reciprocal. Here we have a dy divided by dx, which is equal to numerator you write as it is. Okay, minus minus y into log a divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus t square you write as it is. Now denominator when you take to numerator it will be reciprocal, means 2 square root of 1 minus t square divided by x into log a. Now what all cancel you do it ma, that's it you will be getting. So that log a cancel, 2 square root of 1 minus t square, this also will be cancelled. Then what I have remaining Daraja? Minus y divided by x. That is they asked to prove. I hope we have done. That's it, children. We got a final answer. Okay, I think we have done this exercise. Okay, the next exercise will come in a next video. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. See you later. Bye.